ready to unlock all of Discord's awesome premium features using your trusty debit card. Let's dive in and get you set up with Discord Nitro. First things first, head over to the official Discord Nitro page. You can usually find a prominent upgrade or get Nitro button on your Discord client itself, or by visiting Discord.com Nitro. Once you're on the Nitro page, you'll see different subscription options. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on purchasing the standard Discord Nitro. Go ahead and select the Nitro option. Now, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Look for the payment method section here. You'll need to select credit, debit card as your preferred payment option. Carefully enter your debit card details. This includes your card number, the expiration date, and the CVC or security code typically found on the back of your card. Next, you'll need to enter your billing address. Make sure this matches the address associated with your debit card for a smooth transaction. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident, click on the Continue or Purchase button to finalize your Nitro subscription. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Discord Nitro with your debit card. You can now enjoy all the perks like custom emojis, HD streaming, and profile customization.